Today I explore the Lal Lal Blast Furnace. This blast furnace is the only attempt at smelting iron in all of Victoria, and the only remaining blast furnace from the 19th century in all of the Southern Hemisphere. So, just like a little picnic area for the reserve thing. You can sort of see the remnants of some sort of pipe or like pole or something there. Some sort of mine shaft or something here. Cool. So here we are at the main attraction, the blast furnace, which is pretty cool. Let's go check it out. Whoa. So here we are. It's really cool. It's like really overgrown, but I'll try and find some way to get a bit of a closer look. You can see the remains of a building there, like built with stone. That's pretty cool. Some worn bricks here from the blast furnace, I assume. It's really cool. I'll try and get up here. Oh boy. Oh jeez. Oh boy. Oh. So here we are at the blast furnace. It's so cool. So, bit of a shot. It's really echoey. You can hear that. Let's see what this brick says. It says, don't know, Riss and Pierce Sturbridge. Cool. Get a bit of a shot inside. As you can see, it's really cool. So cool. So, you can see the bottom there. It's really cool. The top, it's cool as well. Such a cool shot there. Wow. Oh my god. Oh, trying to get a shot here, it's really hard. You can see that these poles are like holding up because it's not a very stable structure, it's decaying a lot. It's really cool though. So, you can see through there, it's like, I'm not sure what they use it for, I'm not quite sure how it works and everything, but it's like some sort of like vent sort of thing, I'm not sure. Might just be something to keep it up, stop it from falling, but yeah, it's cool. You can see up there, some more decaying bricks. So there's another one of these things, I think they're just there to hold it up. And it's another shot of the top of it. So there's another one. Let's see what's in here. Not too much, just a few more stones. A lot of people's names have been carved into it as well. It's cool. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Nothing much to see here, but it's really cool. You can see more sort of brick sort of structures there. I don't know. Yeah, but the only thing left was really these things and obviously the furnace. So yeah, there's another pipe remnant there. Just a bit of a shot from this balcony looking thing. It's cool. If you want to read that, you can read it. So another little sign here, I'm assuming this sort of piles of rock stuff here is where the blacksmith was. If you want to read that, just pause it. So here's another little sign if you want to read it, pause it. Yeah, it's cool. You can see there's like a little tunnel there, it's kind of weird. Alright, that'll be about it for today. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and just have a good day. I don't know if I've said that before.